cubes underlined in sparks. I'll admit it's elaborate for a waking thought. Vortex to vortex, the business they call show hasn't ever been this pumped up before. Hello, gruesome. There's just enough time left to swing by and readdress the start. If you call and have them pull around the car and stop specializing in stories from the road. Hello, you. Still dragging out a long goodbye. Meandering chapter reaches its end and leaves us in a thoughtful little daze. This electric warrior's motorcade shall burn no more rubber down that boulevard. Read the message I left on the thank you card, overtaking the tractor, waiting for sets of winds and bends to level out again. Picking a moment along a country lane, the kind where the harmonies feel right at home. Hello, you. Still dragging out a long goodbye.